Okay, good morning to all of you.
Good morning, sir.
As today we are here for the practice of your group discussion. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Practice will make you perfect. जितना इधर अच्छे से बोल लोगे उतना ही उधर आपको आसान रहेगा बोलने में. Got it?
Yes, sir.
This is not the actual test of your group discussion. Simply this is the practice of your group discussion. Okay?
Yes, sir.
In this test I will be providing you a topic in a form of a statement. In the further of that statement I will ask you a question. In order to support your answer I will provide you 3 leads. You have to take a lead from those 3 leads and have to defend your lead till the end of the discussion. Got it?
Yes, sir.
बिना ये कहे कि आपका गलत है, मेरा वाला ज़्यादा सही है, इस चीज़ की कोशिश कीजिएगा. ओके? Try to be cooperative. While giving your point, try to have eye contact with all of your group members. Got it? Be confident and try to use rich content in your discussion. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So I am giving you the topic, and the topic is there are various factors that have contributed to the economic growth of our country. What, in your opinion, is the most important contributing factor? Lead number 1, manpower. Lead number 2, leadership. And lead number 3, foreign investment. I am repeating the topic. There are various factors that have contributed to the economic growth of our country. What, in your opinion, is the most important contributing factor? Manpower, leadership, foreign investment. I'm giving you 2 minutes to go through your content in your mind. Then after we will start the discussion. By the time, please tell me your chest numbers.
Okay, start. Gentlemen, from my perspective, I think leadership is the best for the foreign economy. Because of if leader will be low or will not promote anything, then it will be affect our economy and other thing.
In my perspective, the FDI is the more play the important role for our growing the economic. First,
I agree with the section number 57 that leadership is the basis of country's growth, because leadership provides the vision, leadership provides the factor that brings the foreign FDI investment in our country, and leadership provides the vision. Accordingly, our manforce work and builds the infrastructure.
All the leads provided to us are interlinked, but in my view, leadership plays a vital role because we have manpower from very long, and we are getting FDI as our government leadership is promoting our countries and giving their leverage, like come here and you will get loan for your business and relaxation in the policies given by the government. So these things attract the FDI. And the manpower, how to use our manpower effectively, that's the main motto of leaders. That how are you leading the group and how are you empowering the manpower by Skill India startup, Stand Up India, giving startups loan to 10 lakh to 1 crore according to the need of that MSME program. All these programs are given by the leaders. So leadership is the main role in gaining all the rest 2 leads.
Gentlemen, according to me, FDI is the most important for the economy because all of these, if the foreign trade is coming on the investors in India, that can be trade in a various factors. Building an infrastructure, you can build how to controlling that on aerospace and industrialization. That is the main factor because without FDI, no one can lead their country. So most important that you can invest foreign investors coming into India and invest on there in various places like industrialization, marketing, that's all.
Adding to station number 61, though FDI plays an important role in our country's growth, but leadership factor is the main reason behind the economic growth. Because recently Elon Musk, who is the founder and the CEO of various companies like Tesla, he he halted his visit to the India. Why? Because of the leadership change, which because of the election. He thinks that the leadership can be changed in our country. That's why he halted his visit to India, and he postponed his visit after election.
Adding further to just number 00, that we have seen incident that India is a destination for mobile manufacturing. Like initially the company Apple is producing in China, but due to the leader's vision and the infrastructure provided by the leadership, then only the manufacturing plants came in India, and iPhone 15 is building over there.
Yes, chest number 156. I agreed with chest number 56 according to that all the discussion come to leadership. Leadership is the main chain about the controlling all the powers, all the perspective that we want to do. And the thing is coming like economic powers. That is a thing that if a leadership any things that control very a manner way or very a longevity, very a prospective manners, then it is followed by further the persons that present or his or her followers.
I have some
Means,
different opinion
that-
in according to this. Like if there is no leader in the country, then the foreign company can't invest in India. There should be a leader in particular leader in India to lead the economic. But what do you think if there is no leader in India, then no foreign country invest here? No infrastructure will be built in India.
Yeah, it is can build, but the leadership is the give a
In my
recognition.
perspective, the FDI is the more important for the economic growth.
If you see the case of Pakistan, Pakistan's
Yeah.
economy is shrinking because of not
Due to the lack of-
political stability.
Yeah, this
And
is the lack of leadership.
That's why they are in our country we are having petrol at the price of 108 or 110, but in Pakistan if you see that the price of petrol is crossing 300 and 350 in some times. That's why if Pakistan also get a stable leadership, then he can also gain FDI and utilize his manpower.
Okay, friend, we have to talk about India. So why should we go to
We
Pakistan?
are not.
This
we
is
are
not a-
discussion about Pakistan.
Pakistan.
We are just having an example that what's happening in our neighborhood, that they are suffering from their economic development, and we are getting, we are reaping the fruit of the economic.
And what the importance to discuss for leadership? Actually, leadership is the
without leadership we can't do investment in the foreign, and we can't
Leadership only controls
Yes.
the country's regulations,
Control.
rules
Yes,
and
yes.
regulation.
Leadership is the one who creates the escalator of the and the direction in which we are working, and
Without
that the
FDI,
year we are getting
without
FDI
FDI,
and
the economic
utilizing
growth is not
manpower.
possible.
Yes, we agree, but we are telling that without leadership, because leadership is controlling to all our world, all over India. You can say
That is not
country.
possible. It's you cannot control that FDI
All
can
the
be
things,
controlled
yes.
by the leaders. Leaders only can make the rules and the regulations.
Regulation, and it
Yes.
is followed by
But
the
it can be followed
citizens.
by the FDI, but it cannot be according to the FDI. That cannot be invested.
But in past, why we are getting very less FDI? Due to the leadership only, na. There is a great democratic leadership having the vision for the country and the.
Saying
That's
that
why we are getting FDI.
there is no particular leader, so we cannot say that there is a no in our Britain era in India. तो वहाँ पे इतने सारे वो जो आए थे कंपनी, ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी, फ्रेंच कंपनी,
yes.
तो इससे क्या हुआ कि वो जो ग्रोथ हुआ, डेवलपमेंट हुआ, तो ऐसे नहीं कह सकते कि लीडरशिप नहीं था, एक लीडर नहीं था, मेनी सेक्टर्स में
Yeah.
अलग अलग लीडर थे, तो ग्रोथ तो हुआ ना.
that
तो-
time
If
if
we
talking of our
if we
history.
receive FDI, but we are not utilizing it in
Yeah.
proper manner, that's the duty where leadership comes.
This is
And
lack of-
then we are not having the proper utilization of that FDI, and we are not gaining any benefit
Yeah.
from that FDI.
And the main
So
reason-
that FDI is not of use for us.
For the good beneficial of any companies in India, that is not the responsibility of the leaders. You are responsible for the industrialization. If we take an example that you can one company can invest into the Infosys is that responsibility of the Infosys that can utilize this resources. You can see that many companies in 2 years that can be shifted into the Dubai, that can also shift it into our head office and MNC companies offices in India. Why? Because India have all resources, manpower is easy, the labor is easy. That's why all companies are shifting.
Agree with Chester, even adding to it, Apple company not only in China,
and he focusing on the further development of our country. That's why these statements came from the biggest CEO of like Amazon, and Elon Musk even agreed to deal with the Indian government on its conditions.
Okay, let's have an opinion by this question. What's your opinion?
I think leadership is important role because leadership we can't with FDI we can't use all the things.
Okay.
But leadership with leader we can plan accordingly all the things. Then FDI important. In my point of view, leadership is important.
And what's the opinion about
106?
According to my opinion, the leadership, the leadership is important. According to in our country, if there is a good leader, then it also affects on our economic health. You can see now when the Modi ji came in our country, and then we saw that our GDP was rapidly increasing as accordingly year by year. So I think that he's a good leader, from my opinion, as he's increasing our economy and he's increasing economically our India day by day. So I can see we also can say that a leadership can make our country.
FDI coming in India, that's not initially boost your GDP or economy. So government policy or leadership came like when we are having good policies, like we are acting against corruption by DBT, direct benefit transfer. That is the vision of government only. So if transparency and lack of corruption, like GST came in India, the tax collection increased by 40%, which we are receiving earlier. So these all helps in GDP growth.
only the policies and schemes made by the government can boost the GDP.
And
FDI is not even getting and your economy get boosted initially.
Both
I'm not saying that the GDP will boost
important for our country.
All three
FDI
are
and
important, but leadership is the most important among the three. That's my point.
I'm
And
not
in
saying.
case number 151, we can take example from the West Bengal. West Bengal was the capital of India for a long time, but in the last 38 years, there has been a leadership of communist government. What happened to that West Bengal? India has 4 lakh beggars in India has 4 lakh beggars. 1/4, that is 1 lakh, about 1 lakh beggars belongs to the West Bengal. What was the reason? The leadership is the main reason. We have various examples where we can say that the leadership is the basis for any company, any country development or the region's development.
On such a simple topic, if you are not able to speak, what are you doing, gentlemen? (57) initiated the discussion. Leadership was your lead. ओके शुरुआत में पॉइंट्स ठीक थे, बट घूम फिर के फिर वही पॉइंट आ रहे हैं, इस वजह से आपने बोलना भी बंद कर दिया. यू हैव टू कम अप विद डिफरेंट पॉइंट्स इन योर लीड, like leadership. Don't take specific names. Say that the current government, by their leadership skills, they had stabilized the special economic zones that are ultimately attracting the foreign companies or the FDIs. They are regulating the taxes on the imports. They are imposing taxes on the companies that are already stabilized here, ultimately resulting into the economic growth. मुद्दा था इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ का, और आप फंस के रह गए लीडरशिप पे. थोड़ा सा ऊपर आके सोचते इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ चाहिए हमें.
बट सर लीडरशिप है तो डिस्कशन जो भी अपना लीड लिया है उसी पर डिस्कशन होगा.
हाँ, उस पे मेन
But main
इकोनॉमिक
topic
कैसे
economics
बूस्ट करना है।
मेन टॉपिक इकोनॉमिक
इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ है, इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ किसकी वजह से? इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ तो फिर एफडीआई भी कर रहा है और तुम्हारा कहते हैं लेकिन हम लोगों को अपना पॉइंट डिफेंड करना है, तो अपना पॉइंट डिफेंड करने के लिए अपना पर्सपेक्टिव रखना होगा ना, अपना डाटा रखना होगा।
द सेम थिंग आई एम सेइंग, अपना पॉइंट बोलना है लेकिन रेलिवेंट उस टॉपिक से। लीडरशिप से आप किधर लेके चले गए, वो कॉम्युनल और वो सारी चीज़ें आप अगर लेके जा रहे हो तो दिक्कत है सर। इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ में स्पेसिफिक उनकी इकोनॉमिक पॉलिसीज़ क्या क्या हैं। लाइक उन्होंने जीएसटी लेके आया, आगे आने वाले जो चुनाव इस समय हो रहे हैं, सामने वाले पार्टी के पोर्टफोलियो में क्या है, वो जीएसटी को एक रेट पे लेके आना चाहते हैं। जीएसटी क्या इकोनॉमिक में एक बड़ा चेंज नहीं था? वन नेशन वन टैक्स, इस तरीके की आप स्पेसिफिक इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ से रिलेटेड लेके आए। व्हाट इज़ आवर रेवेन्यू डेफिसिट, व्हाट इज़ आवर रेवेन्यू करेंट अकाउंट, ये सारी चीज़ें आप बात करते हैं। हाउ द गवर्नमेंट इज़ फोकसिंग ऑन द कैपिटल इन्वेस्टमेंट, कैपिटल पे इन्वेस्ट कर रही है, बिल्डिंग द रोड्स, बिल्डिंग द इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, बिल्डिंग वेरियस connecting the village to the urban areas. These are the capital investment. इससे आगे चल के फ़ायदा होगा। Okay? These are the policies of the government. See, one government is freebies. मैं आपको बोलूँ कि ले लो भाई, एक काम करो, महंगाई भत्ता लो या फिर एक बेरोजगारी भत्ता लो 1000 रुपये महीना, और यही मैं आपको साल भर या ज़िंदगी भर दूँ अगले 20 साल तक। या फिर मैं आपको बोलूँ 50,000 रुपये लो, जिधर कोचिंग करना है, जो स्किल सीखना है सीख लो, लेकिन 1 महीने बाद या 6 महीने बाद मैं आपको 1 रुपया नहीं दूंगा, अपने पे कमाओ। दिस इज़ कॉल्ड द कैपिटल इन्वेस्टमेंट। व्हेन यू आर इन्वेस्टिंग समथिंग दैट विल गिव यू द रिजल्ट, आउटकम पाएगा उसका। तो ये लीडरशिप का ही एक विज़न होता है। मैं आपको फ्रीबीज दूँ, फ्री में टिकट दूँ, फ्री में मेट्रो में चढ़ाऊँ, या फिर आपके एजुकेशन पे इन्वेस्ट करूँ। ये हाँ आपने किया था। आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट दोज जो सिर्फ लीडर्स पे अटक के रह गए थे, उसको पॉलिटिकल बनाए इंस्टेड ऑफ इकोनॉमिकल। हाँ वो चलेगा, उतना चल सकता है। आप स्पेसिफिक बताइए फिर कि उनकी पॉलिसीज़ सही नहीं है। वो बंगाल से सारी इंडस्ट्रीज़ क्यों चली गई? हाँ उनके पॉलिसीज़ वो जो अपलिफ्ट नहीं कर रहे थे, या दूसरी चीज़ टैक्सेशन बहुत ज़्यादा हैवी कर रहे थे। ओके हाँ लैंड नहीं भी प्रोवाइड कर रहे थे, सिक्योरिटीज़ नहीं है। आपके लीडरशिप आपको सिक्योरिटी प्रोवाइड कराते हैं। अभी क्या एप्पल को मिलेगा सस्ता, सबसे सस्ता लैंड किधर मिल सकता है पूरे विश्व में? पाकिस्तान में जाएगी क्या एप्पल? सिक्योरिटी का इशू है। तो वो चीज़ आप बताइए ना। अनरेस्ट रहेगा आपके यहाँ तो कोई आपके यहाँ इन्वेस्टमेंट करने आएगा? गॉट इट? इस तरीके से इकोनॉमिक सेंट्रिक होकर बात करते हैं। रेस्ट ऑफ द थिंग्स ओके, वी विल मीट अगेन फॉर practice of some another topic. Okay?
Yes, sir.
By the time, please keep preparing. Jai Hind.
Jai Hind, sir. Jai Hind, sir.